सर ज्वाइन हो जाए, सर नहीं हुआ ज्वाइन।
आदित्य भी बोलेगी और
सर माइक चालू है मीनाक्षी आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
हेलो,
यस मैम, वर्मा जी ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं।
यस मैम, he has joined. We are waiting for Achal sir.
हाँ, जस्ट
Welcome sir. Good afternoon sir.
हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग सर। थैंक यू सर, आपने हमारा रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट किया, इसके लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। सर बस विद इन अ मिनट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट, विद इन अ मिनट।
ओके।
Can begin the program. Meanwhile, Chaudhary sir will join.
Okay sir.
है ना? So I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
that will be the best way. Okay.
Okay ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
So with your permission, with the kind
Yes.
permission of our principal ma'am, Honorable Chief Guest Dr. C.S. Sharma, Regional Officer and Assistant Director, AICT Bhopal, our Chief Patron Architect Achal K. Chaudhary, President IPS Academy Indore, our respected Principal and Director Ma'am Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary, all academic deans and heads of department, and dear participants. Good afternoon, you all. I, Dr. Meenakshi Joshi, on behalf of our institute, IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science and Department, extend hearty virtual welcome to each and every one of you in the valedictory session of 1 week online FDP, sponsored by AICT Atal Academy on rejuvenating teaching skills and life skills management. Once again, a warm virtual welcome to you all. Now proceeding to our next session, I would like to invite Dr. Rekha Dut, convener of FDP, for presenting report of FDP. Please, Rekha ma'am, it is up to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Meenakshi ma'am. I hope I am audible to one and all. Am I?
Yes, ma'am, you are clearly audible.
Okay, so I would like to extend my heartiest greetings to all the dignitaries, our respected and eminent participants, because without them, we cannot even imagine about a day of the program. And one and all those who have corporated their support and all. And if they are here at the time of valedictory session, so I would like to extend my heartfelt greeting to one and you too much. Sir, it's truly a moment of pride to read the report of the successful conduction of AICT Atal 1 week faculty development program today. And before I begin, I would like to say that Charles Dickens aptly remarks, it is not the strongest or most intelligent who will survive, but those who can best manage change. As all of us are witnessing a lot of changes in the personal and professional lives currently, so in the current setup, the theme of this FDP, rejuvenating teaching skills and life skill management, is vital to discuss. In the context of education, if we talk, as W.B. Yeats said, education is not the filling of a pot, but the lighting of a fire. So, keeping in view the circumstances and situations, the speaker of all the 14 session enlightened on the revival of teaching skills and also on the skills of managing personal and professional lives through various topics. Sir, as Meenakshi ma'am, she has declared that this was a 1 week program of FDP. So every day we were having 3 speakers in a day, and today was the last session concluded at 1:20. So the event took shape in the beginning with inaugural. The chief guest was Mr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, Sir, Director Atal. Sir has shared his experience about the FDP on various trust areas sponsored by AICT at national level, which all of us are acquainted with, that it has created a world book record. Really, it's a matter of pride and honor for all the educationists and one and all, those who are associated with AICT and ATL directly or indirectly. And he has also motivated all the participants to attend all these sessions and get benefited. Thank you so much, sir. And after this, our principal, ma'am, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary, Director, IPS Academy, Institute of Engineering and Science. Ma'am has enlightened all of us with her words of wisdom and wished for the success of the program. Thank you, ma'am. And the session on the inaugural day were on classroom management, teaching pedagogies and communication skills. The other sessions of the day of the FDP covered diverse topics like literature, professional ethics, life management skills, blended learning, etc. Critical thinking, eco-critical literature, futuristic teaching process, professional ethics for sustainable prosperity, which are nowadays a very current aspects to learn and to discuss together, were the major aspects covered by the eminent speakers. So we are very well thankful to all the speakers. The FDP also covered the topics related to yoga and life management skills under Fit India movement. Fit India movement is one of the movement on which our eminent Prime Minister Mr. Modi sir and AICT and our institute also focuses upon. So keeping in view this, we have organized 2 sessions on this, and the eminent speakers were from renowned universities, institutes and from abroad. Here I would like to mention their names to recognize their endeavor in this FDP. Dr. Archana Parashar ma'am from IIM Raipur, Dr. Ashok Sachdeva sir and Dr. Deepa Manchani ma'am from DAVV Indore, Dr. Shubhra Tiwari ma'am from IPS University from APS University Rewa, Dr. Neelu Mukesh ma'am from Triple IT Lucknow, Dr. Deepak Kumar sir from Manit Bhopal, Dr. Anandita Sahu ma'am, she was from IIT Madras, Dr. Sarika Tiwari ma'am, she was from SGS ITS Indore, Dr. Vijay Chaudhary sir, he was from University of Maharashtra, and Dr. Sudhir Nikam sir was from University of Mumbai. Mr. Sunil Jain sir, he also associated with us. He was International Mentor of Art of Living. And Dr. Rashmi Sahi ma'am, she was from Hong Kong. She is right now associated with the St. Stephen's College there at Hong Kong itself. And Mrs. Neha Singh ma'am was also there with us. She was awarded as Yoga Shiromani Award. Basically, she is a yoga instructor and she is performing on national level also. And apart from this, we have one more speaker with us, and she was Dr. Anubha Didich. She was from IIM Raipur, and the last session was concluded by ma'am. So thank you, Anubha ma'am. We also received overwhelming response from the participants across the country, and their active and dedicated participation finds during the FDP. It was really a matter of pride and privilege to us. Thank you to all the participants for your active participation through sessions. And being convener, before I conclude, I would like to thank AICT ATL Academy for their trust and opportunity to conduct this FDP successfully, and their cooperation all the times, and their support and their conversation exchanging within a very short span of time. It was really acknowledgeable, and we expect your association in the forthcoming events as well. Thank you to one and all. Thank you very much. Now I would like to invite Meenakshi ma'am to continue with the session. Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am.
मीनाक्षी मैडम, आपका माइक बंद है.
Yes. Thank you, Rekha ma'am, for summarizing and presenting the report in detail. Now proceeding towards to next. Now I humbly request to our principal madam, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary, to address us with her valuable words.
Thank you, Meenakshi madam. Thank you. Once again, on behalf of IPS Academy, I welcome Dr. C.S. Verma, Honorable Central Regional Officer, AICT Bhopal, for sparing your valuable time and sparing some time with us and your guidance for us, and not only for this program, for consistently guiding us towards the growth of our academy or towards the growth of an education system. First of all, sir, I'm really thankful, really thankful, and I really congratulate AICT for the world record of organizing highest number of FDPs and successfully completing the 2 phases. Above all, sir, thanks for giving us opportunity to be the part of the system to contribute for the same. At ITS Academy itself, sir, in engineering college, so we organized 5 Atal FDPs. Am I audible? Meenakshi madam, am I audible? Is there any error? Am I audible?
Some disturbance in between.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
You are audible, madam.
Okay. So thank you, sir. Sir, thanks for giving us opportunity to contribute to the mission. At ITS Academy, we organize 5 Atal FDPs, 2 FDPs under AQIS, sir, 2 short-term training programs, 1 national conference, which is sponsored by AICT only itself. Apart from this, we organize various FDPs, STTPs, seminars, refresher courses, which are sponsored by DSTs. So this is the journey during the COVID period regarding the development of the faculty and for the benefit of the students. As far as regarding the today's FDP, today's session of the FDP, the title itself explains the objective of organization, that is rejuvenating. The most challenging part is to understand and conceive the right teaching skill and improve accordingly. Teachers, of course, play a very important role in changing the life of an individual. The individual, with an unbiased support of teachers, can be a successful leader. And the real leaders are not the different persons. They are the ordinary persons with great determination, like our CRO, Varmaji. The role of teacher is to provide opportunities for the students to create supportive team and healthy environment, appreciate and recognize even the smallest contribution and the efforts of the students. In fact, teachers may be called as better as a clinically psychologist. I mean, I can conceive like this. We should coach. We should be coacher many times. We should be affiliative many times. We should be pace setter many times. And above all, we should be visionary at all. In short, we are guilty of many errors and many faults. But the worst time is abandoning the children's, neglecting the most important part of the system of the society, that is the foundation of life. Many of the things we need can wait. That can be done another time, but the children cannot. More appropriately, if I can define, right now is the time. His bones are already being formed. His blood is already being made. His senses are already being developed to him. We cannot answer tomorrow because his name is today. This is as per Gabriel Mistral 1948. Well said by him. So Varmaji, we are contributing. We are trying our level best to contribute for the education system. That's why we organize more than 5 Atal FDPs in this 4 months and more than 2 FDPs under AQIS, STTPs, FDPs. Conference also we have completed. Many of the workshops are in pipeline, which will get the shape within 2 or 3 months. So we are committed. We are really committed to give share, to contribute towards the education system, and we are committed to give shape to the dreams of the students. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Rekha
for
madam,
your
your mic is off.
May I? Thank you so much, ma'am, for your
Madam
inspiring and.
Meenakshi, your mic is off.
No, ma'am, it is on. Well, ma'am, right?
Abhi bhi off.
Yes,
You are not audible.
yes, you are audible, madam.
Okay.
You are audible, ma'am.
Meenakshi madam, you are not audible.
Ma'am, participants are saying it is audible.
Saad sir, if you are audible, you can begin the program because Meenakshi madam is unable to be audible.
Meenakshi madam, we can hear.
Hello.
We can hear.
Anyway, sir, I am audible, sir. So I request our honorable guest, Dr. Verma, to kindly spare, which you have already spared, bless us with your gracious words for this program. I request Dr. Verma. Sir, Verma, sir, your mic is off.
Yes, madam. Thank you very much, madam. First of all, I would like to say all the dignitaries.
सबको म्यूट कर दिया है शायद.
नहीं सर, मैम आवाज आ रही है. Sir is audible actually.
Yes, sir is audible. Verma sir is
I am
audible.
audible.
Verma sir is audible.
Audible. He is audible.
So, yes, madam. So all the respected dignitaries and coordinating team of IPS, particularly Dr. Archana Chaudhary madam, and respected resource person, speakers, faculty members, and my ladies and gentlemen. So it was a wonderful workshop. I hope it was a wonderful workshop because everybody says their journey in these 7 days. It was a wonderful workshop. Therefore, I would like to say first thank to Dr. Archana madam who invited me in this workshop. As you know that AICT has a mandate. There are many mandates as per Act of Parliament, particularly approved and quality improvement and fund. So in a quality improvement, जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, one quality improvement is अटल. So there are 27 quality improvement scheme. So one of them is to improve quality in particularly faculty quality improvement, because our main stakeholder is a student. Our student का 360 grooming so how 360 degree grooming will achieve? This will achieve through faculty development. Devised by AICT. So इसका एक particular reason ये था कि before 2019 there was a trend that in a mechanical, civil, electrical, particularly in core branches, admission was very late. So AICT has constituted a committee headed by Dr. B.R. Reddy. So in committee ने ऐसा कहा कि we have to go for emerging areas, particularly emerging areas like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, data science, augmented reality. So state we have to give approval in that areas, and we have to staff core branches to give approval. So core branches को AICT ने approval देना बंद किए और emerging areas में approval दिए. तो emerging areas में this year around 35,000 intake approved हुआ है. So जब intake approved हुआ है, it means there are need of teachers who should be well versed with emerging areas. So how we can achieve that can be achieved by some program or workshop. So that's why Atal is start, and through up to this year, or 1 lakh faculty member we had to train. So 500 Atal is already about to over, and we are again. I am happy to announce that from today onwards, AICT is planning to conduct again 1,000 Atal program, Atal Varsa. So I would like to say all the faculty members kindly again registered for getting Atal, because very soon 1,000 Varsa will be announced. So through this Varsa, everybody will be benefited. तो मैं ये मानता हूँ कि अटल के थ्रू जो मेन स्टेक होल्डर हमारा स्टूडेंट है, वो उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा फायदा पहुंचे, क्योंकि आप फैकल्टी मेंबर जितना ज्यादा इसमें ग्रास्प करेंगे अटल के थ्रू, उतने ही ज्यादा आप स्टूडेंट को दे पाएंगे। इसके अलावा मैं सारे फैकल्टी मेंबर से और चाहूंगा कि काइंडली मोटिवेट योर स्टूडेंट टू लर्न more emerging areas, and that emerging areas is also available in our AICT web portal, like NEET. NEET is a platform. NEET means National Education Alliance for Technology, that is available in our AICT web portal. So kindly motivate your student to to participate in NEET product. NEET product is a education tech product. Through this, they can become a skill. Similarly, I would like to I would like to request our faculty member kindly motivate your student to participate in internship, because internship is also one way to improve their skill part. Even our pass out student can also join or register in our internship portal. Kindly motivate our students, particularly in Smart India Hackathon, SWAYAM portal, Chhatra Vishkarma Award, and even recently launched Lilavati Award. And just now, our AICT is planning to give funding for writing in a local language. So I would like to say everybody kindly uh, apply for that particular local language book writing. By this, you can get a fund, and if you submit any book in a local language, you will get benefit. Now, I again second part. I would like to say, faculty member, kindly motivate your student to avoid rote learning. How can how can you motivate? You should give practical, more and more practical knowledge, and particularly they should learn about by observation. So for that, AICT has started examination reform. Examination reform, the AICT is try to AI conducted different work, and through workshop we are training faculty member how to prepare a question paper based on practical knowledge. And also I would like to say faculty member, because all of the participants are faculty member, they should motivate the student to create a bridge between student, teacher, and all the institution authorities. Because if student is with all, they will be more benefited. For that, AICT is conducted in the student induction program. So when our first year the batch will start, I would say all the students should mandatory start student induction program, because this is a very useful instrument to create a bridge between student, their senior, and once again, I would like to congratulate IPS. Particularly, they are doing very well. They are NBA accredited, and recently they got academic autonomy. And I think in Madhya Pradesh they are a first private institution. They have received academic autonomy by the UGC. तो IPS एकेडमी को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूँगा, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। एंड वंस अगेन आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अटल रहिए एमर्जिंग एरिया को स्टूडेंट के बीच में पहुंचाने के लिए, ताकि वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा एम्प्लॉयबल और स्किल प्राप्त कर सके। लेट अस लर्न, कंटिन्यू टू लर्न। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, for information, we have already conducted induction program in the first week of December. That is, we have already conducted, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Sir, is the portal open for Atal? I think it is not open for applying Atal FDPs right now.
Just announced, madam. So we will start 1,000 Atal again. We are planning. So kindly motivate your faculty member.
Yes. Faculties are already motivated, sir, and we will definitely motivate them. And your words will definitely inspire all the faculty members. Apart from this, sir, along with the regional languages, because we got the autonomous status, we have started teaching other languages. Like we have already introduced French and German language in the curriculum itself.
Right, madam. Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir.
This
sir,
is not for French.
Yes,
this particular scheme is for local language, means Hindi.
Yeah, I got it. The regional languages rather.
Yeah, regional language. Yeah.
Yes. This I got it, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, ma'am, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom and inspiring speech that would really help us in our future perspective. We assure you, sir, to motivate our students for practical knowledge, and we believe in vision of Atal Academy. Now, sir, Achal sir has joined. Sir, I would like to welcome Architecture Achal K. Chaudhary, President of IPS Academy Indore. Sir, hearty welcome to you in the valedictory session. Sir, am I audible? Sir, am I audible, Achal sir?
We are busy with so many.
Sir,
yes.
Sir, please unmute your mic, Achal sir.
Ma'am, I'm traveling, so my connection will be.
Okay.
No, but sir, now you are audible. You are audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible now.
Audible and visible both.
Please continue with your Namaskar, Verma ji. Kaise?
Namaskar, sir. Namaskar, sir. I am happy to see you, sir.
My pleasure, my pleasure. Sir, please carry on. Don't disturb the.
Okay.
Please carry on.
Yes. Okay. Sir, with the kind permission of sir, now we are proceeding to our next session. Our session will be incomplete if we will not interact with our dear participants. They are the core of the success of FDP. So it is time for feedback from our participants who are very enthusiastic, regular and disciplined. So we are eager to listen feedback from them. For that, I would like to invite, there are some participants, those who have willingly want to give feedback, verbal feedback. Dr. Krunal Parekh. Dr. Krunal Parekh, are you there, sir? Dr. Krunal Parekh? I would like to invite you for verbal feedback. Dr. Durga Tripathi.
I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Agyan Timirandasya Gyananjan Salakaya Chakshurund Militam Yena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah मैं सभी एमिनेंट स्पीकर्स को प्रणाम करती हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे वो चक्षु दिए जिससे मैं अपने नॉलेज को इन्हांस कर सकूँ. वेरी गुड afternoon everyone. This faculty development program was really a great platform for all the academics and the researchers aspirant for this program. I learned many things like how to cope with my stress and depression, how to communicate in a better way and enhance our personality with the help of yoga and meditation. For all this, I appreciate that and thanks to all respective and knowledgeable speakers. I would like to also special thanks to organizing committee and Rekha ma'am who gave me the opportunity to put my thought in front of you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dr. Durga Tripathi. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. Now I would like to invite Dr. Naveen Agarwal.
Hello. Yes,
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 sir,
ma'am.
you are audible.
A very good afternoon to one and all present over here. I'm Dr. Naveen Agarwal, Assistant Professor from Department of Physical Sciences, NV Paswala Vidyanagar, Gujarat. And it feels immense pleasure for me to giving an opportunity to give feedback on this FDP, the online faculty program entitled Rejuvenating Teaching and Life Skill Management that is sponsored by AICT Atal Academy, that was organized by IPS Academy in the duration of December 7 to 11, 2020. During this pandemic time, arranging such an informative FDP is really helpful to the academicians and students. The FDP program comprises of various participants from different disciplines, and accordingly, organizers have designed all the sessions to understand and inculcate competence for global professional excellence. And the organizers have strength to cover various fields like classroom management, advanced teaching, pedagogical methods, fundamental principles of communication and soft skills, scaffolding as a pedagogical tools, and etc. The participants like me were benefited immensely and received new insight and knowledge about the content through handy interactions with the experts. I'm very much thankful to FDP organizers and my own management, Charutta Vidya Mandal, for giving me an opportunity to attend the FDP, and heartily congratulations to AICT Atal for adding one more milestone in the path of success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Agrawal, for your valuable feedback. Now I would like to invite Dr. Krunal Parekh. Dr. Krunal Parekh.
Unmute your mic, please. Krunal sir, you have to unmute your mic, I think.
Yes, sir, you can unmute your mic and then you can speak.
Krunal sir, you are there on our screen, but you are not audible because you are not muted your mic. Please unmute it, I request. Yeah. Krunal sir, you have to unmute first. Mic on करिए sir.
Okay, now I would like to invite Dr. Tasneen Khan. Dr. Tasneen Khan. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon to one and all present here on the valedictory function of online FDP program on rejuvenating teaching skill and life skill management by IPS Academy Indore. It is said all that begins well ends well. Indeed, yes, we have started with the FDP program on 5th of December and today is 11th December 2020, and today being the last day. No doubt it becomes nostalgic because we have been associated with each other since 5 days. And in this 5 days, I have learned a lot. I have learned how to be patient. I have learned how to manage my stress. I have learned how to overcome the anxiety. I have learned how to manage my student. As I'm teaching chemistry since last 18 years, every day is a learning day as well. So this FDP has really helped me in growing up. I want to congratulate Atal AICT for organizing such beautiful FDPs in this pandemic time. Thank you so very much, AICT. All the best to AICT personals as well, because they are again like thinking of organizing 1,000 FDPs in the forthcoming months. All the best to Verma sir as well. I like to thank Dr. Rekha Dut ma'am, the convener, the co-convener, Dr. Vijay ma'am, and all the coordinators as well as the members of this FDP. Very good congratulations and a big, you can say, a lot of appraisal, because you people have done really, like you have got all types of faculty. 14 session was being conducted here, and every session was being like was my heart touching session. Indeed, I have recorded so many sessions so that I can hear all these sessions in future if I feel unmotivated or if I feel down in my life. I would like to congratulate Principal Dr. Archana Chaudhary ma'am. I feel very happy when I see ladies.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I feel like I'm being on the top. So
yes, ma'am.
The woman rock. Congratulations. Also.
Thank you. Thank you.
To be a part of this FDP and hoping to be a part of FDP with you again in the future.
Definitely, ma'am.
God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, Tasneem, for your really very beautiful and touching words and very valuable feedback. Surely, we just assure you all that definitely we'll meet in future. Yes, offline FDP. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Priyanka Kumari. Ms. Priyanka, are you there? Ms. Priyanka Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I just had a power cut over here.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the Institute for arranging such a wonderful session. And I'm really very thankful to be a part of this workshop. I was very pride, happy, as well as I enjoyed a lot the entire session, because see, a lot of, FDPs are being arranged, but that's a matter of pride to be a part of such FDPs, but especially why this became so touching for me, because it has covered several untouched facets of our life, both professional and personal, like being a working woman, or we have a multiple role altogether, right? So very nicely that different areas has been touched by the expert, like how we can manage our classes along with our personal stress or along with other activities. So everything was dealt in a very nice manner, and especially like there were certain areas like how to write the email in a better way, or these areas were was very crucial, because especially when we are at the initial or age of our career, then we need these kind of guidance. And in terms of all these areas, this FDP was very, very important for me. So once again, I would like to thank the Institute for organizing such sessions, and especially all the experts for answering the queries. Like there were several queries in my mind, like many times we even don't ask, or we don't get such a platform where we could resolve all those queries. So here I got the opportunity to interact with very nice faculties, mentors, to whom I can discuss, from whom I can get meaningful responses. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Priyanka. I would like to mention that she was the most regular. That's why we have invited her. Ma'am, many more participants want to give feedback, but it is not possible to include all, because they are also writing in chat box their feedback. So shall I invite to some more participants, or we should proceed for vote of thanks? Archana ma'am?
I don't have any issue. We can continue with this, but I think if Verma sir can spare time, we don't have any issue. We get the permission from Verma sir whether he may be engaged somewhere. I think so.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So
one or
so,
two, Meenakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
I think at least one or two you can give an opportunity. Hardly one or two if you can.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am, I want to give my feedback.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes, you're most welcome, ma'am.
Most welcome, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all. Yeah, this is Sayada Asra from Hyderabad. And first of all, I never greeted any other participants whenever I was asking questions. So good afternoon to all other participants. So when I was applying this, actually I was seeing there were so many topics like artificial intelligence, cyber security. Many of the colleges only opted for this topic, but when I saw this IPS academy ke life skills management skills, then I thought this is the one of the most important thing for us, because without this we cannot even go for other topics. First we have to develop ourselves, develop our skills, then we have to go for other professional and technical topics, right? So I was very curious about these sessions, and whenever I was listening all the sessions, I felt very happy, because all of the faculty, all of the members who were giving the sessions, they were like very friendly also. They made us understand each and every topic, especially Neelu or Neetu Singh ma'am, I think on the second day she explained very well, and Tiwari madam, and also yoga session we had today, and also yesterday we were having meditation session. That was absolutely, it was, I felt like all over India, these many participants, if all together on a single platform, if we ourselves are making each and every one of us are helping each other to develop these skills, then it is a wonderful idea. And I would really thank you, all of you all, for giving us this opportunity and for letting us know so many topics, for making us, get in, for making us so many topics into the head throughout this week. And I just wish all of the success to every one of us listening. So that was it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Asra. She is also one of the very regular participants.
Yes, sir.
For that, we would like to thank Verma sir for giving us opportunity for conducting such FDPs. Yes, sir. Krunal sir, you want to speak?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
You
Please
take my
proceed.
name, but due to audio problem. Yeah, thank
Yes,
you very
yes.
much for giving me this opportunity. Good afternoon, everyone, and congratulate Verma sir, team AICT, and team IPS Academy for this wonderful workshop. I'll put it this in a different manner. जैसे एक चाय होती है, चाय को बनाने के लिए एक अच्छा मसाला होता है जिससे वो अच्छी चाय बनती है और खुशबूदार बनती है, और जिसको पीने से हम लोग एकदम रिजुविनेट हो जाते हैं, अपने आप को यंग और फ्रेश मैनेज फील करते हैं. द सेम थिंग डिड द IPS Academy.
Thank you, sir.
मतलब it was a perfect combination of TLP and IPO, input, process and output, in teaching learning process. You start with the basically you start with the connection, जहाँ पे एक टीचर को अपने आप को फील करना पड़ता है कि yes, you are a teacher and you have to do something different continuously, and end up with the yoga position. And in between जो चाय का मसाला होता है, you come out with the different types of renowned speakers जिन्होंने उसमें अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर किया, और एक बहुत अच्छी खुशबूदार चाय बन के निकली है. एंड डेफिनेटली हर प्रोग्राम का आउटकम हमको मेजर करना पड़ता है. दैट इज आवर बॉटम लाइन मोटिव. एंड वंस अगेन आई कांग्रेचुलेट के IPS एकेडमी ने वो करके दिखाया विद द हेल्प ऑफ AICT एंड ऑल द एमिनेंट स्पीकर. थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड रेखा मैम एंड टीम फॉर देयर wonderful effortless sessions for taking the things in a grand success. Congratulations.
Thank you, Parik sir, for giving such a really wonderful feedback by explaining with the example of tea. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, there are more participants are waiting, but due to shortage of time, I would like to now thank you all participants for your valuable feedback that will definitely help us in our future endeavors. And thank you once again for your active participation. Without your help and support, it was not possible for us to conduct such FDP, successful Now moving forward to our last but not the least vote of thanks speech. For that, I would like to invite Dr. VG Saad, co-convener of FDP.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, all the participants. Gratitude is one of the most important thing in the world. In the words of John F. Kennedy, we must find time to stop and thank the people who make a difference in our life. However, sometimes it can be difficult to find the perfect words to express the gratitude. Honorable Dr. C.S. Verma sir, Regional Officer and Assistant Director AICT Bhopal, Architect Achal K. Chaudhary sir, President IPS Academy Indore, respected Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary ma'am, Principal IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science, our most valued invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. First, I would like to acknowledge my sincere thanks to AICT Atal Academy for accepting our FDP proposal and gave us an opportunity to organize 1 week faculty development program. I extend my gratitude towards Ravind Kumar Soni, Director AICT Atal, for their valuable support and guidance. I acknowledge warm and sincere gratitude towards Dr. C.S. Verma for accepting our invitation for this valedictory session. Sir, your valuable presence making this valedictory precious and enlightening. Thank you, sir, for sparing precious time for us. IPS Academy is a brand in the education sector, which is a vision realized by architect Achal K. Chaudhary sir. I feel privileged and honored to extend words of thanks to a chief patron, president, visionary man, and architect of IPSA universe. It is impossible to organize such kind of FDP without his kind support and guidance. Further, we are grateful to Dr. A.G. Kothari sir, advisor, IPS Academy and Institute of Engineering and Science Indore, for demonstrating his noble ideas and guidance. I would like to dedicate the credit to this FDP to Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary ma'am, Principal IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science. This FDP cannot materialize without her constant follow-up and guidance. She always motivates and encourages us to do excellence in the research and development. Her constant guidance support made this FDP grand success. Thanks ma'am for this inspiring words and encouragement. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to Dr. Rajesh Koshal, Head Chemical Engineering, and Advisory Committee members for their valuable advice. I may like to express our sincere thanks to all the deans and heads of the department for their direct and indirect support in this FDP. I propose special thanks to Dr. Kirti K. Chaudhary sir and Dr. Ramesh Sharma. In each and every step, they were behind us. They were supporting and backing us all the time. This FDP is not possible without our eminent speakers. They conducted all the session remarkably and created indelible impression on the minds of the participants. We extend our sincere thanks and gratitude for conducting all the enlightening sessions on time and with full enthusiasm. And we are grateful to all the participants also for attending all the session religiously and with full enthusiasm. They made us this FDP interactive and lively with their questions to the speakers. Speakers also felt quite elated with this kind of active participation. All the participants are from different part of the country and we extend thanks to all of them. A big thank you to Dr. Rekha Doot, convener of this FDP. Her dedication and leadership skill push all the members to hard work with devotion and persistence. She is powerhouse of the department, which gives dynamism and vigor to do such events. Thanks, ma'am, for such a meticulous execution of FDP. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and the bird's eye for detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of Humanities Department who knows their jobs and result oriented. I extend my sincere thanks to co-convener Dr. Meenakshi Joshi, Dr. Rupali Chaturvedi, Dr. Mrs. Neetu Srivas, Mrs. Rachna Bairagi, and Mrs. Aisha Khan. I may like to express my sincere thanks to technical staff of the college, especially Mr. Sushant, for constant technical support. I once again thank everyone whose contribution has made this FDP successful faculty development program. Thanks and have a great day.
Thank you, Saad sir, for this gratitude note. And I would really like to thank you as in being a convener of the FDP. Your support was really helpful to make the success of this FDP. Thank you so much once again. Now, ma'am, formally, we would like to end this FDP. May I?
Yes, you may. And before you end the workshop, wholeheartedly, I thanks all the participants. First of all, I congratulate Dr. Dekha Doot, the whole humanities team, for doing their effortless working, for giving shape to the dream of this Atal FDP. You people are trying for consistently for last 6 months, and finally you got the success. But this is not the end. This is the beginning of your journey. You have already made a beautiful relationship with so many participants. I'm really thankful to each and every participant for giving their feedback, and who already given the feedback, and I am still waiting for the feedbacks for other members also. You may send it in the chat box and all. And I'm really thankful for contributing in this workshop by your active participation and making this program successful. And thanks to Verma sir and the management, IPS Academy, Achal Chaudhary sir, for giving us opportunity to see the dreams, for giving the opportunity to all the faculty members to see the dream and make the relations and giving us freedom. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. We are trying our level best to give shape to the dreams. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Achal sir, yes, sir.
I was thanking everyone.
Okay.
And
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for sparing your time, even though you are in journey.
Thank you, sir, for joining
us.
us.
Thank you from all of us.
Your presence means a lot for us.
Yes.
Okay, sir, with the kind permission, now we are going to finally end this FDP. So learning and upskilling is continuous and vital process, and sharing and imparting knowledge lead us towards sublimity. With this concluding note, formally we are ending this FDP with the kind permission of our principal, ma'am. Goodbye you all. Hopefully next time we'll meet offline at our institute in a very beautiful campus we have. So have a good time. There are some announcements for participants. There are 3 links that we will share on your mail as well as in our WhatsApp group. There is one quiz link of one quiz and feedback or link of the feedback of today's session. It will be. We will share it on your mail as well as in our group.
Yes.
You will have to fill one more feedback on the portal of Atal Academy.
Yes. May I intervene, Meenakshi ma'am, for a while?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to mention here that kindly please don't worry about the quiz, because this is not a kind of examination as we are suggesting you every day, because all of you are skilled professionals and you are sparing even in your busy schedule a lot of time for all these sessions, and as your feedback has motivated us that you have benefited a lot out of this. So this is only a kind of MCQs questions, and the link will be open today up to 12 at night. So don't worry about that part. Today only the thing is that you have to take care of. Today only have to submit your quiz assessment. And one more thing that Meenakshi ma'am, she has announced that you have to take care of, that apart from the feedback links that we are regularly posting on your WhatsApp group and email, one more feedback that you have to compulsorily fill, that is on the Atal FDP portal. And without that, you will not be able to receive your certificate of participation. So that thing you have to take care of. Even if you have any queries, any problems, please let us know on the WhatsApp group and on email. And you are always welcome in our future endeavors. Thank you once again. And now Meenakshi ma'am.
Thank you all participants. Goodbye you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Yes,
Have a
yes,
good
sir.
time.
I'm listening to you. Yes, sir, you can.
Thank you. It was great knowing you all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm listening. Please continue.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you,
think
everybody, and
sir wants to say
congratulations to all organizers.
We
Thank
really
you,
had a
thank
good time with meeting
Yes,
you all
good.
virtually
Yes.
actually.
And congratulations to all of you for your devotion and your consistent learning and your discipline that you have maintained during all these sessions. You are so sincere, so regular. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all of you for making this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sarthak.
Hello, ma'am.
Thanks, and thank you, Meenakshi.
Hello.
ma'am, for-
Yes.
Can I got the auto feedback form in my email ID?
Yes,
sir,
sir, we
that
will
you will
send
get
them.
on your yes, that you will get on your participant portal.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. I just want to say thanks to
But that is
the
compulsory
organizer.
to fill the feedback form on Portal Academy. On the portal of Atal Academy.
Rekha ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, sir, you can ask, sir.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt at this
Sir,
time
your
because
voice, sir, your voice is distracting. It is not audible clearly. Yes, sir.
okay.
Now it is.
Ma'am, okay. Ma'am, sorry to say, but due to power cut, I could not hear the last announcement that you made.
Okay, so I'm repeating my words for you, sir. No issues. Like Meenakshi ma'am, she has announced. Today you have to fill two feedback. Sir, one is like regularly you are filling up. That is your day 5 feedback. Then one more feedback form will be there. That is regarding the overall sessions of the FDP. And very important part is related with the feedback form that you will get on your Atal AICT portal. Okay. So that you have to fill to encash your certificates. Is it clear to you, sir?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
like quiz examination, I was announcing that quiz examination we are posting on your WhatsApp group and email right now. So you will receive that. You have to fill up and you have to submit today itself. That will be open till midnight 12. Tomorrow you will not be able to submit that. Okay. So enough time is there in your hand and you can do it as per your convenience. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thanks a lot,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir,
And
for giving me
thank you for the nice session. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. And we are always in contact with all of you. So whenever you are, you can join us through our email and WhatsApp. Thank you, sir.
Yes, obviously.
Thank you to one and all. Thank you.